Hey everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to copy uh, image ID on Roblox. First of all guys, you have to open browser and just go to home page of Roblox. Just open .roblox.com and you will be on the home page of Roblox. Now guys, just tap on this create tab over here. Now guys, you just need to tap on this menu button over here and just tap on creations. Now go to developer items. Here in the images, if you have images, to copy the ID of the image you just need to tap on three dot over here. Can you see? Let me increase a bit brightness. Yeah, three dot over here and copy the asset ID. Tap on this copy asset ID and your ID of the image will be copied. This is how you can do it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.